SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to view history on iPhone 15 Pro. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. When you're in the normal browsing mode in Safari on your iPhone, then the device saves a history of all of the pages that you viewed. If you would like to see this history, then you can just tap on the Safari icon to open the browser, and then you can tap the book icon at the bottom of this screen. That's going to bring you to a page that looks like this. So if you want to view your history, you just need to select this clock icon tab at the top right corner. Note that you can also select between favorites, reading list, but for the purpose of this video, we just want the clock so that we can see our history. If you want to delete an individual page from this history, then you can just swipe to the left on that page and then tap the trash can icon, or you can select the edit option at the bottom left corner of the screen, then tap a circle to the left of a page that you want to delete, and then tap the delete button. Alternatively, if you would like to delete more pages a little more quickly, then you can tap and hold on the clear button, which is going to bring up a page that looks like this. And then you can select the time frame of the history that you want to delete, and then you can choose whether or not to close all of your tabs. Once you've made your selection, just tap the clear history button, and it's going to delete those items from your history. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, it only saves your history when you're in normal browsing mode. So if you want to switch between normal and private browsing mode, then you can just tap the tabs icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, which looks like two overlapping squares. And now you're going to see that there is an option for, or that should say the number of open tabs, as well as a private option. So if you're in regular browsing mode and you want to switch to private, just tap on the word private, and then you're going to be able to browse in private mode without the pages being saved to your history.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit SolveYourTech.com.